Here we have 3x plus 5y is 7. I'm going to call that equation 1. And 5x plus 2y equals 18, which I'll call equation 2. Now this is a much harder example because we have different numbers of x's, we have different numbers of y's. So we can't just eliminate straight away. But what I could do is take equation 1 and multiply it by 2. If I do that, I get 6x add 10y equals 14. I have to multiply everything by 2. And then take 2 and multiply by 5. That gives me 25x's here and 10y's here, and I've got 5 times 18, which is actually 90. Let's call this one 3 and this one 4. And how did I choose to do these numbers here? Well, I multiplied the top equation by 2 because the second equation's got a 2, and the bottom equation by 5 because the top one has a 5, knowing it will produce the same number of y's. Now, we've got the same number of y's, and they're both pluses, so the signs are the same, so we subtract. The easiest way to do this is 4 take away 3 because we've got more x's here. So 25x's take away 6x's, that gives me 19x's. 10y's take away 10y's, the y's disappear, that was the whole point. 90 take away 14 is 76. Now 19 times 4 equals 76, so that means that x equals 4. And then sub in, always go for one of the original ones, let's substitute in 1. So we've got 3 times 4, add 5y is equal to 7. So 12 add 5y equals 7. Subtract 12 from each side, 5y equals negative 5. And that gives me that x is negative 1. Sorry, y is negative 1. So my final solution is that x equals 4 and y equals negative 1. Remember, we can check that with the equation we didn't use, which was number 2. Let's just try it. 5 times 4 plus 2 times negative 1 is 20 take away 2, which is 18. So it works, and we know that we have the right answers.